What's up, everybody? Happy Monday. Welcome to another watch list for stocks in play. We'll be providing some of the best company news that I can find and some of the most active stocks that were popping off for the day. This is the watch list coming in for February 14th, Tuesday. Okay, first on our list today, CLNN. CLNN is currently at $1.40 a share. Relative volume was 4.3, 18 cents average trading range, $107 million market cap. CLNN has a good gap here to fill, possibly from 212 to about 275, give or take. News for CLNN is that they have released positive test data for some of their treatments on multiple sclerosis patients, and the test data comes from MRI results. That's for CLNN. Next on the list, we got OCUL, Ocular Therapeutics. Ocular Therapeutics. All right, $5.30 a share, 4.3 relative volume, 36 cents average trading range, $403 million market cap for OCUL. News for OCUL, 10-month data or interim test result data has been announced for their treatment for something called wet AMD. I don't know what that is. I'm not looking it up. Have fun. Anyways, I am also interested in AMD stock holding itself around the $80, $81 level this morning. Opened up some put credit spreads on AMD. Next on the list for today, we got FSLY Inc. FSLY. FSLY currently at $12.62 a share. Relative volume was 4.3. Average trading range 85 cents per day. $1.55 billion market cap for FSLY. News for FSLY. Bank of America upgrades to a buy and raises the price target to $16 a share, up from $10.50 a share for FSLY. Next on the list, HLGN, HLGN. Currently at 40 cents a share. We got 4 relative volume, was 4 pretty much even. 4.02 we'll call it. 8 cents average trading range per day, $75 million market cap. HLGN is either going to zero or maybe it's going to be tradable if it gets some good momentum, good steam during the day here. I would be super careful with this one. Intraday trades only. Do not bet all your bank on it, but it's a small price stock, so if it gets some cool movement, penny stock action could be fun. HLGN. Next on the list, we got TWLO, TWLO. TWLO is currently coming in at 61.28 a share. The relative volume was 3.7, $2.99 average trading range, $11.3 billion market cap for TWLO. News for TWLO, they're cutting 17% of their workforce and reducing some employee benefits. I think they might be added into... I don't know about that. I'm not going to even say that. 17% of the workforce cut for TWLO, just announced today. Next on the list, we got NBSE, New Base Therapeutics, coming in at 37 cents a share. NBSE had a relative volume of 3.3. Average trading range is 3 cents a day. $13 million market cap. The only thing I like about this stock is it's obviously a cheap penny stock, but the 40 cents mark here gives a lot of room to run up to approximately like 58, 55 cents range if this thing wants to gas it and test the 200-day moving average up here. This is for NBSE, New Base Therapeutics. Next on the list, we got NGL, This is a stock that came on our list on the Monday's watch list, and this is a stock I underestimated. It's also a Reddit stock, which is why I underestimated it. And here we go with the continuation. And it's also making it on our list another time because who knows what the heck to expect with these stocks. Could be something popping off. Who knows? Cheap enough to mess around with. I would trade it if something happens where you can find your footing. These things have been just going crazy, breaking above the pre-market almost instantly, or else gapping up and then going from there. So I don't know, maybe a pullback into 240 or 235 at worst. Maybe pullback to 235 could set up for another possible rip to the upside. Not against it. Chart is ugly. Company is probably not doing too hot anyways. 200 week moving, or actually it's the 200 week moving average is way up there at 470 a share. And it's possible that a golden cross is attempting to start to form here. We might need 1 or 2 more days of upside if that thing's going to continue to gas. But it's really almost vertical at that point. Anyways, that's NGL. Relative volume was 16 cents average trading range, $352 million market cap for NGL. Next on the list, we got AVLNF. Not liking the F at the end of it. I think that might mean something about bankruptcy. Looking at, let's see, maybe tradable, just a penny stock that may be tradable intraday, depending on what we're getting with the volume and momentum. The reason I say that is kind of clear. You can sort of see that the times the volume comes in is right when this thing wants to gas. Golden cross occurring here, and we've had a failed golden cross just before it here. So this is why I'm interested in this possibly becoming tradable for ranges up to either 13 cents or which would be sick, would be 15, 18 cents. I don't know. It's such a small range, I could care less at the same time. We'll see what happens. It's just something to scan through on the list, see if it comes up with anything powerful tomorrow. Next on the list, OSCR. On the list from yesterday, it's a health insurance play. OSCR, Oscar Health, currently at $5.37 a share. I like the chart, is pretty much why I'm presenting this again. Relative volume came in 1.3. Average trading range, 35 cents a day, $1.140 billion market cap for OSCR. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's just a yesterday's list hitter. All right, cool. OSCR. Next on the list, we got KO. KO is coming in at $61 a share. This is Coca-Cola Corporation, 85 cents. 97 cents average trading range a day, 0.8 relative volume, $262 billion market cap. My ideas are this might be a possible bottoming area or perhaps more likely a short-term support area for working our way up towards 61.50. Breakouts of that could lead towards the highs of 64. For KO, maybe good for keeping something light on. I don't know, maybe a debit spread or something like that. We'll see. In my opinion, that's going to depend on the day. This is probably going to move very similar to the market. Next on the list, eBay, EBAY, currently at where is it at? 49.08 a share. I didn't see that there. 49.08 a share. 0.5 relative volume, average trading range, $1.33. eBay has a $26.5 billion market cap. News for eBay acquired a company called 3PM Shield. This company is an AI-based marketplace compliance company, and eBay's looking to bring that work in-house to deal with that themselves. Volume is looking awesome on eBay as far as this consolidation and just starting to pick up with some volume here. So we'll see if we get another solid filled up volume bar and which direction that might go. Maybe it'll be a test of the VWAP. 1 or 2 more days beyond that, I would expect to see a test back towards these highs, 50, 80, $51 range, and eventually 52. That's for eBay, EBAY. Next on the list, ARAY. ARAY coming in with a nice chart and nice volume indications. I'm liking how the volume is similar here. Gassing on the heavy volume, chilling out on some more gas and a little more gas up. Consolidations are steadily moving down with volume there, even though it hit a new high. Full consolidation inside day, drop off on volume, the lowest volume possible, and we got some action. After that, 1 or 2 more days has opened it up to get some more upside on that. 1 or 2 days there, and then volume drops off again heavily right here, even more. So this was like a false breakout. Right here we got the volume low and coming in. Gas pedal on the increase in volume. A battle for sure on this one for the inside day, and we break out. Here you could see we got volume swelling down. Maybe we need to consolidate a bit more right here. It could be so our volume could really drop back down to levels like this. Or this thing might gas. And this is an indication that we're about to push in. People are starting to notice more and more of the stock, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I would expect to see some volume on ARAY and momentum to follow. Excuse me, I should say momentum and volume to see, so I could follow that and take a trade from there. Maybe YouTube, but whatever. CVV, final one on the list. CVV, I'm actually just interested in showing because I'm watching this consolidation here. Similar types of volume indications dropping out after a new highs are broken. Breakout here with some volume, a nervous day, and volume increase steadily right here. Volume chilling out for consolidation range. Maybe we'll see a little bit of a volume step back in to see which direction this wants to move. CVV, I like the company, and I looked into their products. They make really awesome machines, and I like the volume on the chart for CVV. CVV currently at $12.70 a share. Average trading range $1.1 and 16 cents a day, I should say. And CVV has a $86 million market cap. Kind of a small market cap. This is why I believe in this company having some room to work here. Max chart is like that. Okay. Cool. That's CVV, and that is the last stock on the list for tonight, Monday night. Catch you guys tomorrow for the list. Tomorrow, I hope you guys have a good trading day Tuesday, and I hope you have a happy Valentine's Day. If you ain't got no love, just show up to the list, and we'll be here dishing it out every night, hopefully, as long as I got the energy. Well, thanks for checking in. I appreciate you guys. God bless you all. Have a good night.